love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome back to Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Hey, this month sometimes we get into a situation and you feel worried. 怎么办? What should I do? 怎么办？怎么说？
用个啥？
用个啥? Okay, that's what should I do? Especially, let's say you're out shopping and you break something in the shop and you feel so bad. You wish you don't have to pay for it, but you still ask, right? 尤其在外面啊，在商店里面不小心，尤其小孩子很容易这样子啊。
碰到。
可是因为我那个长手长脚，有时候会不小心割牛。
手长脚长啊？什么长手长脚？
对啊，就是这个意思吗？不小心打破了一些瓷杯怎么办 ？Okay, let's put you in the scenario. Okay. 哎呀，我不小心打破瓷杯了，怎么办 ？All right, I accidentally knocked over some ceramic cups. What should I do?
我冇生意。
我冇生意。
大烂。
大烂。
肥毕业嘞。
肥毕业嘞。
用个啥？
我就知道。用个啥 again? What should I do? 这是瓷杯啊 ，ceramic cup 叫做肥毕业 ，OK， 就是瓷杯嘛，哈。不小心呢，怎么说？
冇生意。
冇生意，生意就是 careful， 冇生意就不小心 accidentally knocked over and broke these china or ceramic cups。哎呀。这个万一对方说最贵的
呢？
想听到这句话。Okay, let's say you realize this is actually the most expensive piece in the whole shop. You're gonna be so worried, right? 那是店里最贵的耶。
给黑点的底杯。
给黑点的底杯。
轻贵的呢？
哦呦喂啊，轻贵的呢？轻贵就是最贵，对不对？
很贵，最贵。
贵就是贵 ，That's expensive. 哎呀，那要赔老板很多钱了哈。We're gonna have to pay the owner a lot here. All right, 怎么说呢？
我爱陪调價，
我愛陪調價，
懂多錢嘞，
懂多錢嘞 ，OK， 很多錢的意思啦，錢 that means money, all right? I'm gonna have to pay the boss or the owner a lot of money. 我跟你讲，我会把那个碎片拿起来，然后再粘回去。
不行啊，
自己用，当做
你以为是創意嗎？
對
拼圖嗎
？All right, let's review some of these phrases, such as accidentally 不小心，
冇生意，
冇生意。And then 最贵 most expensive
轻贵
and then a lot of money 很多钱
懂多钱
OK 听到轻贵就会听到懂多钱对一定是这样最贵就很多钱嘛 Alright it's all about the phrase 怎么办 What should I do
用个啥
Alright be careful when you're around fragile items and that does it for today's Practical Hakka
什麼大家
俺只say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.